Hey guys, Jamie here, keeping it koi. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. So today we're in the van again, as you can see. I don't know who's more luckier, you or me, but that's 3 road trips in a row. But today I'm in the van with Mrs. Keeping It Koi. Nala's in here as well, and we're going to see Perfect Aquatics. So yeah, I will snap back to you when we're out and walking in. So we've arrived, we're walking in. The outdoor pond's looking a bit weedy at the minute, but it's a lovely pond. But yeah, we're going in. I'm going to have a look round. I've never been here before, but we'll see what it's all about. So we are walking in. I'm sure you've all seen it before. The giant window waterfall with all their awesome statues, water features, foods, beverages, little Blagdon ponds. Let's go for a wander round, shall we? Ooh, Sakiakari. Wow, that gets more and more expensive every time you see it. Catch you all in a bizzle. Fishies! Statues. No idea where I'm going, so we're just wandering around. I've seen so many videos of this place, but yeah, I'm sure you've all seen the aquariums. We don't want to look in there, so we'll go back this way. Bunny rabbits! Bunny rabbits! Emma's going to look at the birdies. Nala's are not allowed. Nala, you can't go look at the birdies. Chickens! Well, we finally found the fishies. Just having a quick look at what goldfishies and pommics and other bits and bobs they got. Grass carp and tench and goldfish, orb, normal off and blue off, and more goldfish. All very reasonably priced. Some shabunkins. Some very nice shabunkins in there. Some pommics. Good old traditional pommic. Canary goldfish. And your little cotton goldfish. Let's go look at some koi. So first up, got some real nice Hyatt series, some chagoy, and looks like one little lonely asabi. Oh, and a gorimo as well. Yeah, really nice Hyatt series. Very nice. That one's closed off at the minute, but you can see through the hole. Again, a good mix of all sorts in there. Coda mix. Ooh, nice big ones in there. Oh, or tuber. Stunning. Nice Matsuba down there as well. Real nice. Mixed breed Tosai. Nice Akamatsubas. Good mix of everything again. Some Jin Matsubas. And a few other bits and bats. Butterfly koi. With butterfly koi, they're either really nice or really ugly. Baby fishies. Yeah, some nice Matsubas in there. Some albino sturgeon down at the bottom. real nice fish in here. More Matsudas. Got a lot of Matsudas in the moment. If anyone wants a Matsuba, or Aka Matsuba should I say. Got loads in here. Sneak peek through the little hole there. More mix in there, but that one's all closed off. I think when they're closed off they're either being treated for something or under quarantine. But again, sneak peek through the hole there. I assume it's feeding time. Some more lovely, lovely fishies. And that one. Right, I'm going to go back to the beginning and come down the other side. On this side we've got the slightly bigger fishies. Again, lovely mix in there. Lovely, lovely mix. Got some nice showers in here. Series. And there's a few really nice ones in there. A pond full of series looks quite funky actually. Some Shiros and some Dragon Ball Sankies. And if you're about my age, you'll probably remember Dragon Ball Z. Kiat series in there. Some nice Kahaku. And moving on to some really bigger fishies, and I spooked them. So these guys are all 40 cm and over. Prices on them ones are in the book. And on the big pond. And remember guys, no fingers. It's not what she said. Oh, I've got some real nice Agragokis. Agragoki Matsuba, I would guess at that. 2 of them. Ooh, look at that tancho. Look at that tancho. Some really nice. Ooh, another nice tancho. Lots of nice tancho. Really nice tancho. And let's see what they've got outside. The sun's finally come out. What's in this first pond? Ooh, sturgeon. Anyone want a sturgeon? Big sturgeon. Ooh. Oh yeah, you can see that. I can't see a thing, but you guys can. In the big pond, what have we got in the big pond? Big fishies. Here they all come, look. Somebody's looking at us. Come and show yourselves off. Tancho shower there. Here come the rest. Oh, that's a nice tancho. Very nice. Got a few more vats closed off. So again, either under quarantine or being trapped for something. Can't sell them while they're going through whatever that is. Got some really dark ghost coils in there. Don't know if you can see them, very dark. Got the mix in there, got some fancy goldfish. I always think they look so silly, like they can barely swim. A few koi, a couple more empty vats, more empty vats. What we got over here? Got a lot of red on these asagi, but is that a good thing or a bad thing? Depends on what you like, doesn't it? Got some nice kahaki, although there's a real bent one in there, bless it. Oh, that one's got a real bad spine, bless him. Bless his arm. Some lovely Sankey in here. Oh, he's a secret Sankey. Secret Sankey! Exclusive to Perfect Aquatics Koi department, so it says. Some showers and some Sankeys and some Shiros, good mix in there. And I've got some, not too sure, I've got some Kajakus, a few other bits and bats in there. A butterfly Kajaku in there and all. Oh. Just keep wandering. Last bat outside. Some lovely kahaki. I'm guessing this is what is left over from the growing show I did. Got a real nice tan show in there. Very nice. Hey guys, so yeah, we've just had a lovely walk round. Got some amazing fish in here today, but we're now sat in the cafe about to get some lunch because we was going to anyway, but on my gift card that I got from Krafty from the last koi show, the BKKS, I've been given a free lunch on my card, so that is what I'm going to have, my free lunch, and we're going to have that and we'll probably head home. So on that note guys, thanks all for watching, like the video if you haven't already, and we will catch you all on the next one. Free lunch!